就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you the phrase "No worries"， 要安心啊。
安心，
安心，光是听到就觉得很安心了。
真的吗？
我跟你讲，在台湾啊，订车票的确要早订啊，尤其三大节啦，要出差啦，什么你不能 miss 掉啊，对不对 ？Yeah. So let's put you in a situation where you're worried that you didn't get maybe a bus ticket or a train ticket or a high-speed rail ticket, and then the other party says, "No worries, I got it already." Okay? 好，车票订好了吗 ？Did you reserve the ticket?
查票租运号码。
查票租运号码，查票就是车票 right? That's the ticket, a bus ticket or even a train ticket, alright? 然后接下来那两个字应该是跟订有关咯，对不对？
租运，
租运 ，OK? 租运 that means to reserve, to book. 请你安心，早就订好了。No worries, I already reserved it a while ago.
呛安心，
呛安心，
做手租运好嘞。
做手租运好嘞。OK， 租运刚刚已经讲过啦，就是要订嘛。做秋就是早就。Early on, I already reserved 租运。We already kind of taught you that just a minute ago already. So no worries, 安心 right? 哎呀，这时候就觉得啊，这个人真可靠啦，对不对？
对呀。
你做事真是可靠。You are so reliable.
做事。
做事。
懂意思的。
懂意思的。
做事懂意思的。
哦，就很懂我的意思的呢。哦，是这个意思吗？
我很懂你的意思，所以你的事情就是我的事情。
什么意思？
所以啊，做事就是很可靠啊。所以你交办我的事情，我都帮你办的 OK 啊。
好有趣，好有意思哎。原来意思的就是可靠的意思。
对。
哦，意思的 that means to be reliable and the things you do. 做事 that means things you do is very reliable.
就表示人家做，请你帮忙，你都很快就可以帮人家办的 OK， 很完整的啦。
Yeah, cool. All right, 那我们现在就可以来 rate 几个单字喽。
OK，
包括我们的车票 our ticket，
查票
，and then to reserve 订，
租运
and then to be reliable 可靠，
意思的。
All right, that means again to be reliable. And don't forget, this whole month we're teaching you how to say no worries, and that's 安心。有这样的朋友或这样的这个同事就很好了哈。
钱交给他也没问题。
没错。That is for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只说张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.